All right, let's begin. First assignment was to add fog to our scene. We do this by setting fog parameters, which we have setting up as such in these spots. So as you can see, we have fog. As I move away from these things, they start to fade into the background because the color I set for the fog matches that of the background. The HLSL file code is identical to what's shown in the fog demo. For our shader classes, we have to add another buffer for the fog and add a function to set and send them. For if we don't want fog, I set the default values for the starting position of the fog to be well beyond the fog clip plane. So that way, if I run this code without specifically stating where I want the fog to be set up, it will never show any fog because the starting position of the fog is beyond what the camera sees. So once this runs, you can see now as I back away, nothing is fading. Everything is staying exactly the same. The next part of the assignment was to add mirrors and make sure everything can reflect properly through it. The way we do this is anything that is supposed to be reflected inside the mirror will get a reflection matrix added to its multiplication. So anytime we wanted to reflect these cubes or these lights, we have to multiply them by the reflection matrix. For the spotlight, it is a bit different because we have to do the multiplication of the position with the reflection matrix. But because the directional is a vector, we have to make sure that the W value is set to 0 for every step of the way, because anytime we use a function with a vector, it is going to try and default set that W back to a 1. So we just have to make sure every time we run like the multiplications, we have to set that W back to a 0. And that's it.